They put a question mark like this, which means, now see, every symbol, okay, all of you, every symbol, now if I take this symbol, you should have only one symbol in column also, one symbol in row also. So in row and column, you should have only one symbol. Okay, now they are asking this question mark, which symbol comes? Sir, plus is there in this column, circle is there, square is there, so I think triangle is the only one which comes. I hope the concept is clear. PPT not visible. One second. People, now is it visible? Okay, so I'll do it again. Now all of you, see, now if I have a square, this is a square, okay. If I have a square, which means what? In this column, you cannot have another square, and at the same time, in this row, you cannot have the same square. Okay, so now they are telling this question mark stands for what? Sir, when plus is there, we cannot have plus again in the column. We cannot have circle again in the column. We cannot have square again in the column, but we can have triangle here. So here I have to get triangle. Is this concept clear, all of you? Yes or no? Okay. Now, can you try this one and give me the answer? Is it option A, B, C, or D? And the level keeps improving, okay? Very good. Sir, if I have circle here, which means I cannot have circle here. If I cannot have circle here, which means I can have circle here. So what is left here? Again, triangle is left. Answer is option C. This one. I will keep unmute for all. So if you want to talk, you can unmute yourself and talk. Okay, simple. Sir, here I cannot have a square. Okay, which means here I should have other than triangle, sorry, other than plus and circle, that is nothing but other than plus and circle, that is triangle. Option C, right? Rahul, it is option C, triangle we should have. This one. Fast. Okay, all these are easy. Am I right, people? Okay, level 1 is easy. So what I will do is I will shift to level 2. Try this one. Few are telling plus, few are telling star. All of you. Okay, so it definitely cannot be triangle. Okay. So here if I have circle, here I cannot have circle, and blue gone and orange also gone. So I'm left with star and plus. Sir, I cannot have a star here. I cannot have a star here. Which means star should come here or star should come here. I cannot have it over here. Am I right, all of you? So, and here I cannot have a plus because plus is already here. I cannot have a plus, which means star should come here, which means here I should have plus. Answer is option C. All the ones who told star, is it clear? You can unmute and ask if you have a doubt.
Sir, explain how star did not come.
One second, huh? I will just put my mouse, take out the camera. Okay. I'll do this again. The one who asked the doubt, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, they are asking question mark is what? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So question mark, I cannot put circle and square. So both are out.
Yes.
And even I cannot put triangle. So competition is between star and plus.
Yes.
I cannot put star here. I cannot put star here. I cannot put.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which means star should come here or star should come here. Now one more left is plus. Now I cannot put plus here. Why? Because plus is already here.
Okay, yeah, got it, sir.
So here star will come and here I have to have plus.
Yeah, got it. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, welcome. People, try this one. Already who are out? Circle is out. So fast, Pooja.
So I have a doubt.
One second now. Who's this talking? Yes, Ritika.
So can we change the pictures which is actually present in the box?
Change what picture?
Like we imagine like here comes star, here star doesn't come.
Huh?
Like should we look only into the blank spaces or should we look into the spaces which is actually filled?
That is your wish. The only thing is you have to find out question mark stand for what. You apply any approach.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you do anything. Now one second. Okay, Pooja got the answer very fast. Pooja, are you there? Can you unmute?
Yes, sir.
How did you get it so fast?
And the last row, it is triangle, circle, and star. So the remaining, it can't be star because in the top row, star is also present. So it should
It
be only the
cannot,
rectangle.
one second. It cannot be circle. Am I right? It cannot
Yeah.
be a star. It cannot
Yeah.
be triangle also.
Yeah.
Superb. Okay, good thought then.
And star is present in the top row also.
Star is present here also. Okay.
Yeah, in top. So it can't be any of these. Only rectangle is a possibility.
Plus, you mean to say plus? It
Yeah,
cannot
plus.
be plus here.
Yeah.
So the
plus.
only answer is rectangle. Very good. I hope all of you are able to understand the logic. Okay, you might be applying different approaches, okay, but this is the fastest and the easiest approach. Good, Pooja. Try this one, people. Try eliminating. So triangle gone, circle gone, rectangle gone. Star cannot come here, which means star can come here or star can come here. Okay, and plus cannot come here, which means plus has to come here. So answer is plus. End of the story. Rohit, why are you going wrong? Rohit, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah, did you now understand?
Yeah, got it.
So answer is plus. All of you, are you with me? Yes or no? Okay, superb. All these are fun. See, keep your mind relaxed. Okay, think as easy as possible. This one. Triangle gone, circle gone. Star plus also gone. Star and rectangle. Rectangle is here, which means star can come here. Okay, and here it has to be rectangle cannot come here. Even rectangle gone. Oh, almost all are gone. People, I think this one we can do without even touching the pen. See, triangle cannot come, all of you. Here triangle is there, so here triangle cannot come. Here rectangle is there, so rectangle cannot come. Okay, plus is there, so plus cannot come. So competition is between orange and star. Okay, so here I can have an orange, I mean circle or a star. Then here I can have a circle or a star. No, actually this is a bit tough. Let me check. So I can have a circle at the top. Here circle and star I can have. Okay, and here also circle and star I can have. How are you people solving? Few are telling circle, few are telling star. Okay, if I have circle here, now here we have a star. If we have a star here, we cannot have star here, which means here circle should come, here star should come. If here star comes and then here I should have a circle. So answer is circle. Am I right or am I wrong? So my answer is circle. If anybody says no, then you can let me know. I repeat this question, all of you. Sir, triangle plus and rectangle gone. Competition between star and circle. Star is over here, which means star cannot come here, which means here circle should come. If here circle comes, here star comes. If here star comes, here circle comes. So answer is circle. Try this one. Competition between triangle and star. Star cannot come here, which means star can come here or star can come here. Here triangle cannot come. Sorry, here plus. Here we can have a triangle, star or a triangle, star or a triangle. Here we can have star. Ritankar, can you unmute and tell me how you are solving?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, there is a triangle in the leftmost corner. Can you see? So triangle cannot be in that column. So it will be in the fourth column.
It will be in the
fourth column, sir.
Fourth column.
Between that orange and blue.
Okay, here.
Yeah.
One second. Why can't it be here?
Okay.
Correct, no?
Yeah.
Now let's see how many, anybody can unmute and tell your strategy, how you're solving. Anybody? Fast.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, Rahul?
Sir, we can take that triangle to their first row, that second last one. We can put that triangle there and the same
now
column.
See, Rahul, I think this is what you're telling. Sir, if triangle here, triangle cannot come here, which means triangle has to come here. Am I right?
Yeah, sir.
Very good. Ritankar, I hope you have understood. Now, if here is triangle, here I can have star or what?
So they have to be plus, because at the question marks we cannot have plus sign. So we have
So here it is plus and here it is star.
Star.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Very good. This is the easiest and fastest approach. Okay, try this one, people. Fast. Here I cannot have a star. Here also I cannot have a star, which means here it has to be a star. Over. Here I cannot have a star and here I cannot have a star. So this has to be a star. I hope all of you are with me. Next one. Ritankar says easy. Try this one, Ritankar. Give me answer. So here I cannot have a star. Forget about star. Here I cannot have blue. Here I cannot have orange. So orange should come here or circle should come here.
It's triangle, sir.
So here I should get a plus or a triangle. Here I have to get a plus or a triangle. Many people are telling triangle plus. Let us check this one again. So star is gone. So here I cannot have a plus, which means I can have a plus here or I can have a plus here. Okay, so triangle they have not given, so I can have a triangle here or I can have a triangle here. Here what will I have? Here I will have a circle. Okay, anybody, can you unmute and tell me how you're doing? Fast. I think I have. Yes,
Sir,
Rohit.
is
Yes.
star and a rectangle in the same this thing, we can't use them. So
Correct.
left out is circle and plus and triangle. Even we cannot use circle because in the right side we have the circle.
Correct.
So the left out options are star and triangle. If we use the star over there, again the second.
No, left out will be plus and triangle.
Yes, sir, plus and triangle, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
If we use the triangle over there, then we can't use it in the above. So because plus is there in the first row.
So you cannot have plus here, which means either here I'll have plus or triangle or here I'll have triangle or plus.
So the left out option is plus, sir.
Why can't it be triangle?
Sir, because if we use the triangle over there, in the first row we can't use the triangle.
In
Because
first row, you can't
plus
use
is already there over there.
Okay, wait, let me check. Okay, if I take as triangle, if I take as plus, I can't use plus here because plus is already over here. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's what.
If I use triangle here, then here I can have plus. No, gentlemen.
Sir, can I explain?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Okay. The right corner, there's a circle here.
Correct.
And then we have a rectangle. So it can't be a rectangle there. And then, no. Right, there's a circle and next column you come. There's a, so below you can't have a rectangle.
Okay.
And then next column, there's a plus in the top. So you can't have a plus there.
You cannot have a plus here, correct.
Yeah, so it has to be a triangle because at the left corner, there's a star. You can't have star at the left corner.
Okay.
Here, left corner.
Okay, yes, here.
Yeah, so you can't have a star there. Beside. So here in the question mark, it has to be a plus.
It has to be a plus.
Yeah, here because right side, it will be a triangle.
Where will triangle go?
Oh yeah, maybe left side, it will be a triangle and right hand side, it has to be a star.
Try, okay, I want you people to try this. This is quite tricky. Let us try one. I'll try. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Please try. What if they give this in the question paper? Star and cannot have a circle here. I can have a circle here, or I can have a circle here. Cannot plus. I cannot have a plus here, so I can have a plus here, or I can have a plus here, or I can have a plus here. Triangle. Triangle, I can have it anywhere. Actually, this question is a bit tough. So this can be a plus or it can be a triangle, okay? I have to prove that it cannot be a plus here or it cannot be a triangle. Triangle I cannot do. So I have to prove that this row has one plus elsewhere. So this is star. Cannot have a star here. I cannot have a star here. I can have a star here or here. Sir, circle position will be fixed above.
Sir, in first row, we can't put plus because it is already there. So we put here the triangle. So that way, yeah, here in the last from up to last fourth column, we can't put circle because circle is already in the last column. So we
See,
put here the
here we put circle, here we can put circle. Am I right?
yes, sir.
So here we can put a plus.
Yes, sir.
Here also we can put a plus, and here we can put a triangle also.
Okay, sir. If we here we put the triangle, so we can't put in up row. We can't put the this
Triangle.
triangle.
Hmm.
So here we
I'll
put
put
the
triangle
triangle.
here. We can put triangle here. We can put triangle here. We can put triangle here.
Sir, and but this row is this column is completed when we put the triangle only. Check once.
If you put triangle, then only it will be completed out.
Yes, sir. Check once.
Okay. And this one above, what are you putting? Above triangle.
Sir, here I am putting plus, not triangle.
You're putting plus here.
Yes, sir.
And above.
In above we putting a circle.
And here you're putting triangle.
Yes.
Are you sure with the answer?
Sir, I think this column is completed. That's why.
No, I can put circle here. See, that is what I have told, okay? I can put circle here also.
We can't put circle here, sir. Okay, yeah. We can put circle here also, yeah.
So we have multiple answers. People, I want you to try this out, okay? 17th one, please try it out. We will discuss this again tomorrow, okay? Next.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, you want to answer? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in the third row, the question. Hello. Sir, in the row above question mark. The row above the question mark, circle have to come in the place above question mark, sir. It cannot move to the next two columns. Yeah.
Why circle should come here? Why can't it come here?
Sir, can we take up the row, sir? In the row, it has to come over there itself. Because the next column has a circle in the bottom and then another column which is free, that also has a circle over there, sir.
See, okay, if I talk about this here, we cannot have a circle. Okay, which means we can have a circle here. We can have a circle here. We can have a circle here. See, again.
Sir, in the row wise, sir. In the third row. In the third row.
Sir, in the third row, we can't put circle after second column. We can't put circle, sir.
You can't put circle here?
No, we can't after that.
After that, there is no place for circle, sir.
Okay.
We cannot put circle there and also one more column is there.
Okay, let us try this, okay? We will discuss this problem tomorrow. You also try. Others, you also try. Okay? We will discuss it tomorrow. Now try this one, level 3. question mark should be what? So here this moon goes, plus goes, triangle goes. So now competition is between circle and star. Sir, here I cannot have a star, which means here I cannot have a star, which means I can have a star here, or I can have a star here.
Sir, even the circle goes no, sir, because it's there in the last row.
Circle is there here, so I cannot have a circle here. So circle also goes. So I'm left with what? Star. Very good. I hope all of you have understood this one. Try this one. Plus one, moon one, rectangle one.
Sir, circle also gone, sir.
Yes, I cannot put circle also. So competition is between triangle and star. I cannot put star here, so here I can put a star or a triangle. Star or a triangle.
Here it is a triangle, sir.
How is it triangle here? Why not star?
Sir, because after the triangle, you can see towards the left. You can't put a star there, sir.
Correct. Which means, okay, I can't put a star here.
Yeah, sir.
But I'm worried about this one. No, here I can put a star. Why can't I put a star here?
Sir, the competition is between the star and the triangle, no, sir. So if you put the star there,
I can put.
It's star only.
Let's check. All of you try. Even I'll try. Try. Let us give time to all.
Sir, it's the star, sir.
It's star.
Because it's the star, sir. Because if we put triangle over there, next to the circle, we can't put the triangle. Because below that triangle is already there.
Next to what?
Circle.
Circle is here.
Next to circle, we can't put the triangle because triangle is there below.
Correct. Good. Can I not put triangle here?
No, sir, we can't put the triangle. No, if it's already.
No, here you can put no triangle.
There we can put the triangle.
Sir, I solved the last question, by the way. I sent you a pic in WhatsApp. You can check.
No, discuss here.
No, like if you are able to see that, I can explain a bit easily.
Who you have sent me on WhatsApp?
Yes, sir.
Ritankar, you have sent me, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, hello.
Yes.
Sir, can it be possible that this thing can have two solutions?
No. Only one solution. Okay, try people. Even I'll try. Okay. Let's try this one. So here I cannot have a circle, which means here I can have a circle, or here I can have a circle. People, I think all these sums will take a lot of time. Okay, you get 6 minutes for this, so aram se you can take 1.5 minutes or even 2 minutes for such questions, that to level 3. You don't have to worry, sir, we have to do it in 1 minute. No, one game you will get 6 minutes time. Okay, level 3 you need to take a lot of time. So we will do one thing. Okay, all these level 3 problems I would like you to solve. Take some time and solve. Okay, and then we will discuss it tomorrow. What do you say, all of you?
Sir.
Sir, can you share the PDF, sir?
Yeah, I'll share, don't worry.
Sir, in each level, how many questions they will ask?
What?
In each level, how many questions they will ask?
They will ask, see, first they will ask level 1. If you are solving it faster, they'll go to level 2. Level 2 also, if you're able to solve it fast, they'll go to level 3.
No time bound, no?
6 minutes for each game.
Okay, if we can't solve in 6 minutes, they directly
You will have points. You'll have points.
Okay.
So if you're solving more of level 3, the more you solve, the more points you get, and there's cutoff in points.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, digit challenge. All of you, 6 divided by 3 into what is 10? PPT not visible. 1 second. Now is it visible? Rohit, visible now? Okay, super. 6 by 3 into what is 10? 6 by 3 is 2. 2 into what is 10, sir? 2 into 5. Answer is option A. Next one. 8 by 2 plus what is 6? 4 plus 2 will give me 6. Next one. 5 plus what divided by 2 is 7. Okay, 5 plus what is 7? 5 plus 2. So this should be 4. 4 by 2 is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. So answer is 4. Next one. What divided by 4 plus 3 is 8. Okay, so this has to be 2 plus 3 will give me 5. So this has to be 8. 8 by 4 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Are you all with me till here? All of you? Okay, next one. What plus 2 minus what will give me 6? Or put this plus 2 over here, I have to get 4. What minus what will give me 4? Just check wherever the difference is 4, that is the answer. Okay, here I have 2 options with 4. Let me check, okay. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 minus 3 is also 6. People, here I'm getting 2 answers, am I right? Let me just check, okay. Option B if I go, 7 plus 2 minus 3. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 7 comma 3 is working. 8 comma 4. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 minus 4 is again 6. So answer can be B or C. Am I right, all of you? Yes or no, fast. Okay, next one. Try this one. What divided by 2 plus what will give me 10? 8 by 2 is 2. 2 plus 6. 8 by 2 is 4. 4 plus 6. Answer is option A. Am I right? If I have 8 here and if I have 6 here, 8 by 2 is 4. 4 plus 6 will only give me 10. 3 into what plus what is 12? Take 2 and 6. 3 2 is 6 plus 6 is 12. Answer is option A. 2 into what plus what is 10? Again option A. I hope the concept is clear. Just substitute, people. Dash minus 8 divided by dash is 1. So 8 divided by, if I take, now check here, okay. 4 divides 8, 2 divides 8. So check with option A and C first. 8 by 4 will give me 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Answer is option A. Next. 2 into dash plus dash is 11. Okay. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Answer is option B. Dash divided by 3 plus dash minus dash is 4. Okay, check. Sir, 4 does not divide 3, so check with A and C. Okay, 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Answer is option A. Is it A or C? It is A, no. Okay, let me check with C. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 minus 2 will be 6. So answer is option A. It is not C. Next one. Okay, now you try this one. Yes, Rohit, using BODMAS itself. Phew. Okay, C is the answer. This one. Just check wherever it is divisible by 2. So check with B and C. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. So answer cannot be option B. It has to be option C. Am I right? Check with option C because I have none. So don't assume answer is option C. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. So answer is option C. Okay, so digit. I think this is not an issue. We can do this fast. Okay. We'll go to the next one. All of you, can you see the screen? Yes or no? No. Now? Okay. This is the question. These two grids, okay, the first two grids follow a certain rule. Okay, they are asking below which, among the four, which two grids follow the same rule. So here if you observe, okay, diagonals are the same. Here also diagonals are the same. So in below, which two have diagonals same? First grid and third grid. So answer is A, C. Next one. Uma Shankar, how is it A, B?
So first three circles and first three circles follow the same. And even in A, B, it's the same.
Okay, good. So A, B, all of you. Next one. Fast. A, D, right? Diagonals should be the same. Sir, here diagonals are the same. So same way over here, diagonals have to be the same. Next one. Sir, here both are the same. So where do we have same? B and C. Clear? This one. Please be careful. Be careful. Is it CD or is it BD? Emotional people. Check properly. Is it CD or BD? Sir, it cannot be. Okay, Uma Shankar, how is it C?
It's the same triangle, sir.
You mean to say this one, gentleman?
Yeah, sir.
This one?
Yeah, sir.
No. Okay. Now see, it can even mean that they all the four should be of the same shape, which means even I can have this, no, same shape.
Sir, in C, the first two are the circles, and in the above picture, first two are the plus signs. So it
Wait,
should be.
I'll tell. Okay, all of you now see, plus if it is there, it is only 2 plus. Here also, if I have plus, it is 2 plus. Okay, so any other symbol, maximum it is 1 or 2. But look at this one. Here it is 2 plus. Here also it is 2 plus. But here I have 3 oranges. So can I say this cannot be my answer, and answer should be B and D? Do you all agree or disagree? Because if I see at the problem statement, there is no other diagram which is more than 2. Maximum it has to be 2. But here I have 3. Mr. Uma Shankar, do you agree with me?
Yeah, sir.
Have to see more than one pattern. Absolutely. Okay, don't underestimate these games so much also. Try this one. Answer is very good, sir. Now if you look at this diagram, this is same and even this is same. So here this is same and even this is same. So answer is B, D. This one. Check again, check. Pakka answer is D. B, C, D. What should be the answer? Many are telling CD, BD. Okay. Shreya, can you tell how is it A and B? Adil says C and D.
Hello?
Shreya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
In
Both the grid pictures, the first row is the plus and there are 2 rectangles. So the first row.
Okay.
The row, not the column.
Yeah. So 1 plus sign we have and 2 rectangles we have.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So that's only followed in A and B.
That's only in this one?
A
1
and B.
plus and 2 rectangles, 1 plus and 2 rectangles.
Yes.
Okay. But, okay. And even Shreya, here we have all 4 diagrams same. Here also we have all 4 diagrams same. Am I right?
Yeah, but it isn't the same in the second grid.
No, but it is correct. I mean, this is following exact this pattern.
Yeah.
Okay, now, so answer is Pakka B, okay?
Yeah.
Now let me check with others. Anybody who are like C and D also can be the answer? See, if it is following the same over here, all of you, if I have the same diagram over here, I should have something like 2 plus or something like this. Okay, now if I have same here and same here, okay, so I should have one diagram repeating 2 times. Now look at this one diagram repeating 2 times. I should have 2 diagrams repeating 2 times, but here I have only one diagram repeating 2 times. But here I have 2 diagrams repeating 2 times. Sorry, this is repeating 3 times. So even this cannot be the answer. I need exactly 2 diagrams repeating 2 times. So it cannot be option D. It cannot be option C also. Why? Because in option C, when all the 4 are same, I need 2 diagrams repeating 2 times. But I have one diagram repeating 3 times. But if I look at option A, this condition is matching. Plus and 2 triangles. Here I have plus and 2 triangles. Here I have plus and 2 triangles. Do you all agree with me? Answer is option A and B. Yes or no? Fast.
Sir, confused. So.
One second. Who is Neo? Yes, Neo. Can you unmute and tell?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in the first figure, left and right, how is there 2 diagram with 2 same shape, like in left and right, sir, in the first?
Now see, if here all the 4 diagrams are same. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So,
but it's given that left and right follow the same pattern, no, sir?
2 grids follow the same rule. They are telling
exactly.
this and this follow the same rule.
Yes, sir. But what you said was like 2 shapes have 2 times repetition. So that rule fails, no, sir?
Okay, so what is the rule? Same rule here. So let's make it very simple. So the same rule here is 1 triangle followed by 2 rectangles, 1 triangle followed by 2 rectangles. I have 1 triangle with 2 rectangles, 1 triangle with 2 rectangles. End of the story. Am I right, Neo?
Okay, sir.
No, are you convinced?
Yes, sir.
Next one. First, tell me what is the common rule in these both? What is the common rule? One common rule I found out was plus is there in the center. Any other common rule you got to know? Plus is there in the center. This is what I got to know. Okay, so do we have plus here and do we have plus here? So answer is A, comma D. Do you agree with me or not? Either yes or no. Fast. Super. Next one. Yes, Ritika, raising hand, you can ask the doubt.
Should we look into only one symbol? Now in this picture there is only at the right, the corner things seem to be similar one.
With this figure?
Yes, sir.
This figure, I think triangle and plus is common, triangle and plus is common. Am I right?
Yeah.
So wherever there is triangle, plus. Over, end of the story. Okay, so I think all this you can do, people. Remaining exercise problems, okay, kindly do. Now let's move on to the next part. Okay, we will stop here for today, all of you. It's 10. We will stop here for today. And tomorrow again 9 to 10 we will meet up and we'll discuss 2 more games. Is it fine?
Sir.
Yeah. Who's the gentleman?
This is Danish.
Yes, gentleman Danish.
Okay. So can you share all the PDFs, like all the material, like the one which you're gonna cover tomorrow also, so that we can like practice now, and if you have any doubt, we can.
Okay, done. I will do it on one condition, provided you people don't pass it to others. No negative marking, Rohit, here only positive marking. Okay, you should clear a cutoff. Level 1 you clear. Okay, then you will be having points. Then you'll go to level 2. Level 2 you clear, you'll get more points. Then you go to level 3. And how fast do you solve all these level 1, 2, 3 within 6 minutes? Your points is judged. And every level will have a cutoff. Okay, so there is no negative marking. You don't have to worry. Okay, fine, people. I will share the PDFs with you. Please do not share it with anybody. Okay, we have prepared with a lot of difficulty. Please don't share it with anybody. If you share, it is a loss for you only. Okay, fine. We will meet, sir. Will all the rounds be conducted on same day? Absolutely, Uma Shankar. First round technical. Okay, if you clear, then you have to play the next round. That is the verbal. As soon as you click on technical, okay, I think technical, how many questions are there? 30 questions, 30 minutes. If you clear the cutoff, as soon as you submit, there only you will get to know. Okay, they will tell you next round. Now, if you have not cleared the cutoff, they will tell you go home. Next round will be verbal. Again, verbal, you submit. As soon as you submit, you will get to know you are selected or not in that round. If you pass, then only you will go to gaming. Gaming and psychometry. How many games are there? 4 games. 1 game, 6 minutes. Like this, 4 games, 24 minutes. Is it clear? Fine. So we will stop here for today. We will meet tomorrow again at 9 o'clock at night, 9 to 10. We will meet and wind up the training. Okay. How many questions in verbal? 30 questions, 30 minutes. Technical, 30 questions, 30 minutes. Gaming, 24 minutes. Psychometry, you can have like 80 questions in 25 minutes, something like that. Psychometry is not elimination. It is not elimination. Don't worry. But it holds a lot of importance. I have shared questions on psychometry also, which was asked in LTI, given by our very nice student Rohit. Okay, you can refer that. Psychometry is easy. Rohit, can you share your experience with LTI psychometry?
Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, psychometric was easy. Like we had to decide, like it was, directions was properly given, like don't choose neutral as soon as it does, like as far as it doesn't suit you. So you had to choose between the other 4 options. And yeah, it was where once you get to know what the question is about, I think it's not difficult. Like when you judge the question is between time management, group skills, or your goal driven, or your time management, or yeah, something like this. If you decide what the question is about, then I think it shouldn't be difficult.
Correct. Rohit, so I feel that you should have a fixed thought in your mind.
Yeah, suppose if you answer one question on, what can I tell, presentation skills, like you will have another question in the upcoming questions. So
Correct.
You have to make sure that the answers are same and not different.
Yeah, you shouldn't contradict or have different answers. This is what they check. And were you able to solve how many questions you got, Rohit?
We got 86 questions.
And how many minutes?
20 minutes.
20 minutes, 86 questions. Is it solvable?
Yes, I was able to.
Okay. Clear, all of you. Don't worry about psychometry. We'll discuss this tomorrow. Okay, don't worry. One thing, sir, before marking answer in psychometry, just think why I'm choosing it. If HR asks, I should be having a reason. Don't worry, we'll discuss about this tomorrow, Sahil. For now, I want you to focus only on games. Psychometry, we'll talk about it tomorrow. Okay, people, fine. I have to wake up at 5:30 tomorrow. And I have to study also for my exam. Chalo, bye. Take care. Good night.